The name Paisley finds its origins in the lands and barony of Paisley, located in the western part of Scotland. It was closely associated with the great Paisley Abbey, which bore the same name. The earliest records of the name Paisley date back to charters witnessed by William Passelew during the reign of William the Lion in the late 12th century. These early records provide a glimpse into the clan's deep historical roots. One of the most significant connections of the Paisley clan is to the Paisley Abbey itself. William de Passelet, a member of the clan, witnessed a charter by Alan, son of Walter the Steward, to the abbey around 1150. This historical link suggests that the clan may have played a role in the abbey's development and history, adding to its historical significance. Throughout its history, the Paisley clan produced notable figures who left their mark on Scotland and beyond. Dominus John de Passelet, a Canon of Glasgow Cathedral, witnessed a gift of lands in 1320, showcasing the clan's presence in important historical events. One of the most renowned figures from the Paisley clan is Admiral Thomas Paisley, who distinguished himself in 1794 during the glorious 1st of June, a pivotal naval battle against the French. His contributions in the field of naval warfare added to the clan's legacy of service to the nation. General Sir Charles Paisley, a distinguished military engineer, made significant contributions to the field of military engineering, particularly in the development of pontoon bridges. His work was groundbreaking, and he established the Royal School of Military Engineering at Chatham. His academic achievements were recognized when he received the degree of Doctor of Civil Laws at Oxford in 1844. The Paisley clan's legacy has not faded into history. The Paisley baronets of Craig, located in Dumfriesshire, continue to represent the clan today, maintaining a connection to their ancestral roots. In more recent times, a tartan was designed in 1952 to honor the clan's heritage. Additionally, a family society was established in 1988, with Paisley of Westerly at its helm. This society aims to bring together Paisleys from around the world, strengthening their connection to their homeland in the west of Scotland and preserving the clan's unique history.